Hi, sis. Sorry I'm late. The traffic is grabe.
Girl, you're looking snatched! Ang ganda-ganda naman ang outfit mo.
Really?
Yeah, no cap.
Oh, thank you, sis. You're so sweet. Wait. Yes.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's this?
It's Belgian chocolate. Kakawin lang kasi ni Dad from Europe. Eh.
Ah, European Choco. Shee! Iba talaga ang daddy na madaming guwap. Guwap, 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 guwap. By the way, I bought na rin for you.
Oh, thank you, sis.
Welcome.
So, anong ginagawa mo while waiting for me?
Well, as always, I'm checking on them nakakadiri on social media. Nakita mo ba yung post ni Steven?
Not yet. What about?
Nag-post siya. Tapos nakalagay sa caption, nag-enjoy ako kahapon, my love.
Cringy.
Mhm. Well, yeah, cringy siya, pero hindi pa yun eh. Meron pa.
Oh. Tell me about it. Tell me. More.
Eh, syempre, nag-reply si Carmela at ang sinagot niya, me too, my friend.
My friend? Friend lang talaga?
Exactly. Yon ang sinabi ni Stephen. Friend lang. Okay na. Kasi, ang sabi nga ni Carmela, yeah, we're friends, right?
Tapos ano sagot ni Steven?
Eh di syempre wala na. Hindi na sumagot.
Ew!
Big yikes!
Kasi naman dapat bago nagpo-post, sure siya na type din siya ng girl.
Yeah, dapat bet kasi kung hindi nakakadiri. Tipo, cringe.
Tapos minsan nakikita ko siya nagpo-post siya tapos tinatag niya si Carmela. Tapos si Carmela hindi naman nagko-comment. Meaning,
Not interested. Kasi naman, ang gusto niya sabihin kay Loverboy na, boy, this ain't it, chief. Kahit 3 beses mo pa akong itag. Like tipong, 1, a 2, a 3. Tag. Choke.
tinawag mo my love tapos tatawagin ka my friend.
In public? Like, girl, parang ka ng Will Smith. Uh-oh!
So we are Lupita sa nangyari.
Choke.
Oh sis, eat mo na yung chocolate mo para ma-enjoy mo naman. Para hindi ka na malungkot kapag nakakita ka ng manakadiri.
Eh, of course, hindi naman ako malulungkot, no? Kasi bigay mo to. Kahit ano pang cringy post na makita ko.
Buti na lang hindi tayo nakakadiri, no?
Of course, because it's a night and day for me.
So how is it? Ang sarap pa?
This European Choco snap! It makes me so happy!
Sis,
Kaya,
you have chocolate in your teeth.
where
I'll clean it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Wait,
Don't put it in my lip.
I'm sorry. Oh.
Girl! Wait. Girl. What are you gonna do? Actually, tama ka nga na nilagay mo dyan. Because you know me, there's no sayang for me. Ang sarap! I love you.
I love you, Ella.
Really?
I love you.
I love you!